of an engine whose magic makes her more powerful than Diesel will ever be. That's why he wants to find her.
Well, then we better find her first.
Leave it to the big engines, Percy.
Little engines can do big things, especially when they have nice blue paint like me.
Hey, just what happens to that blue puffball when Harold the Fopper Chopper flies past here? Right.
Hello down there, chaps.
The boss put sneezing powder everywhere. Let's start laughing now.
Oh, sorry, folks. It was a bit of a dust-up. I'd love to stay clean, but I gotta go. Bye now.
Did you mean to look like that?
Oh, no.
Neither did I.
This must be Diesel's doing. Choo! Choo!
Hey, Cranky, have you seen any magical engines around here?
Shut up, you little green engine. I have had enough from you.
Okay, sorry. I just want to find the lost engine before Diesel does.
Well, it's not a part of my business. Is it a part of your business?
Well, not really.
Best marmalade.
Whoa! Oh, good afternoon, sir.